Good morning, children. I'm Sajita. Welcome back to our EVS session. Children, in today's session, we are going to learn about rhymes, introduction to animals, farm animal, wild animal, aquatic animals, and birds, and some worksheet to practice. Children, now it's rhyme time. First rhyme is Old MacDonald had a farm. Let's start the rhyme. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here oink, there oink, everywhere an oink oink. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cats, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba here and a ba there. Here ba, there ba, everywhere ba. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. With a chick chick here and a chick chick there. Here chick, there chick, everywhere chick chick. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a nee here and a nee there. Here nee, there nee, everywhere nee. All MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Wow, very nice rhyme. Okay, now we will start our Two Little Dicky Bird rhyme. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Children, learn these rhymes. Children, in today's session, we are going to learn about animals. Animals are living things. Do you know, like plants, animals also need food and water to live. And animals feed themselves by eating plants or other animal. Do you know one more thing about animal? Animals can also sense what goes around them. Children, there are different types of animals. First, we will learn about farm animals. What is farm animals? Animals that are kept for agricultural purposes are called farm animals. These farm animals are farmed for variety of reasons like production of egg, production of milk and meat and leather, and for income generation. Children, here I have mentioned examples for farm animals. Look Thank you. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Horse. Horses are used as working animals. Sheep. Sheep also gives milk and sheep's fleeces are also used. Goat. Goat will also gives milk and goat's skin also used. Pig. Pig gives pork, lard, leather and variety of medicinal uses are there for pig. Hen. Hen gives us eggs. Rabbit. Rabbit's fur and wools are also used. Duck. Ducks also gives eggs and duck's meats also will use for eating. Honeybee. Honeybee gives honey. Cat. Cat is a pet animal and dog is also a pet animal. Turkey. Turkey gives us eggs. Camel. Camel's wool, milk and leather are used by human beings. Buffalo. Buffalo's meat is used by human beings. And donkeys are used for carrying heavy loads. Children, the second one is wild animals. Wild animals are non-domestic animals and lives their entire life in a natural habitat. A wild animal finds its own food, shelter, water and all its other needs. Here I am going to show you some examples for wild animals. Lion, tiger, elephant, giraffe, zebra, monkey, snake, wolf, bear, jaguar, raccoon, kangaroo, hippo, otter, deer, polar bear, porcupine, rhino. Children, the third one is aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are animals that lives in the water. I am going to show you some examples of aquatic animals. Fish, starfish, crab, turtle, dolphin, octopus, shark, lobster and seahorse. There are more examples for aquatic animal or water animals. Children, now we will learn about birds. What are birds? Birds are bipedal animals, which means they have 2 feet and they can stand, walk and run. Their bodies are covered with feathers and they have wings. Here I am going to show you some examples for birds. Children, here I have mentioned some examples for birds. Parrot, pigeon, sparrow, flamingo, peacock, eagle, owl, ostrich, crow, vulture, hummingbird. Children, hope this video will help you to learn about animals and birds. See you soon in another session. Up to that time, thank you and bye-bye.